Hi everyone, my name is Le Quốc Khánh and I'm 21 years old. I'm a student at the Eastern International University and my major is supply chain management, and I'm so excited to apply my skill and my knowledge to the real world environment. About my skill, I also have a IELTS certification at the basic, which helped me a lot in communication and presentation. Secondly, that I consider myself as the language lover, so I decided to learn Japanese as the third language. At the university, I have a chance to learn and enhance the software skills such as using Word, Excel, and Power BI. So finally, I believe that an internship at the companies is a great opportunity for me to apply my skill and knowledge related to supply chain and logistics and contribute to your company. So I would love to discuss further. So these are my contact information included phone numbers, emails, and LinkedIn. So thank you for your watching.